Alright guys, so them was my new sunglasses. They're Spy. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I'm actually doing this video after riding, about a week after. But it's Rockcrusher. I hit the biggest jump there. Let's see, I done it Friday, but didn't get, or I got some videos, but I don't know. But I done it Friday, and then I hit it also Saturday. So all these riding clips are basically from these people on their horns. All these riding clips are from Saturday. So yeah. So enjoy the video. Like this video, subscribe, tell your friends, do the same, whatever. But yeah, definitely go check out. I just bought them off eBay. Spy Helm or Spy Optics or anything like that. They're really sweet, great quality. Look good too. So, enjoy this video.
Yeah, he's got it. There you go.
Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video out here. Got a little bit of riding clips out at the track. Got the biggest jump done there. They just, it used to be a triple. Now they made it to where it's like 2 tabletops you can jump. But it's still just as big. It's just a lot safer. If y'all, yeah, y'all know what I mean. Um, it's scary hitting it for the first time, but you know, don't hit it every lap and you're less prone to get hurt. But I'm going to end the video out here. Like this video and subscribe because I'm trying to grow on my subscribers and all that. So hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, see y'all in the next video.